Okay, good evening po sa inyo po lahat. This is your game night tonight. First game for tonight between DJ Jana, the defending champion, versus Three John's Barbershop. This is a PSBQ Basketball League. We're live here right now from the Perling Sisi International School in Doha. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. First game for tonight between Three John's Barbershop and DJ Yana. Ito na po mga kababayan. Now this time na Tagyam na in the house. Yung kanilang main center na naging kasagutan po nila ng Three John's nung championship sa ibang liga. First quarter action.
Wait lang po. Para pala sa mga player mo. Maganda kami sa inyo lahat. I-enjoy lang po natin yung game. Dito sa sagat, santalin po natin yung mga pride natin. Gawin nyo na yung tama laro. Salamat po. Para sa inyo yan.
Okay. Piniprita lang yung pride, ha? Arvin Sawan is watching already. And first quarter action. Ulip. Ulip, toko ang bola. Ulip. Ulip, short stop. 2 points, Ulip. Okay, first blood been drawn na by DJ Giana. Lumbre, mataas ang pasa. Balik pumuli pa sa puti ang bola. Red and white. Red, white, blue combination for DJ Giana and red, blue combination for Three John's Barbershop. Ulip. Ulip from Bacala. Ulip. Ulip to Master Dr. X. Padaya to Dr. X for 3. Bangs it in! 3 points, Dr. X. Rizzo, 3 points. Lumbre, 5 to nothing run will have been posted by DJ Giana. Tagyam for JP. Pops up, no? Bigas. Well, si Bacala, well, si Tagyam. Ulip. Ulip. Nice one by Mahmoud. MC Mood in the house also. Eto na po tayo mga babayan. Now, Lumbre. To Baksit. To Tagyam thinking. Tulog. Driving. Lost the ball. Lumbre. Nakuha ni Padaya ang bola. Ulip. Naiwan na mag-isa. 2 points muli. And early time attack called by Three John's Barbershop. PSBQ would like to thank the following sponsors. First in the list is ANC Kitchen, Maya's Kitchen, MC Cargo, MC Cuisine, HB Kicks, Qatar Supplements Sports by Ziranyada, McDonald's Qatar, and many more. Okay, balik po muli po sa DJ Giana leading the pack already at 0-9. 0-9, DJ Giana. Lumbre to JP. 8 minutes at 37 seconds remaining. Lumbre. JP driving. Tagyam. No good. Bacala, naku-rebound. Bacala driving and blocking foul. JP Cristobal go for the blocking foul. First personal foul, first team foul for Three John's Barbershop. Rizzo, no good. Bagsit. Okay, Bagsit completed. Bagsit on the run. Bagsit lost the ball. Balik tumulit po sa DJ Giana ang bola. DJ Giana starting strong in the first quarter. Again, Master Ulip. Ulip, may tangan ng bola. Ulip, and Ulip muli. Mahmoud, 2 points Mahmoud. Nothing but net. One-handed shot by Mahmoud. And Lumbre, the score right is 0-11. 11 to nothing run. JP for 3. No good. And no good nga. Ulit to Bacala. Bacala. Nakulit ang yung bola. And foul by Ruizo. Foul by Ruizo. Ruizo, number 24, called for the foul. First personal foul. First team foul also for DJ Giana. And JP to Lumbre. Lumbre driving. JJ, backseat. Backseat to Takyam. Takyam, kick out pass. Lumbre, side step move. 2 points Lumbre. Okay, so wakas, nakapos score na Pantinis Barbershop. Baka malamig lang yan. Tingnan natin. Malayo pa naman ang laro. And Bacala driving. No good. Tagyam, naka-rebound. Para naman sa bola. And JP. JP, side step move. 2 points again. JP, okay. 4 to nothing run now. Been posted. 4 to nothing run. 4 to nothing run. 4 to nothing run. 4-11, lamang pa rin ng 7. Padayaw, Padayaw versus Bagsit. Nakuha. Dibigkas. Tagyam. Bagsit for 3 points. No good. Nakuha ni Luiso bola. Naiwanan mag-isa si Bacala. Wala pa rin. Ayun. Bacala 2 points. Danggabi po siya po lahat. Bikas. No good. Ulit. Mahmoud. 2 points Mahmoud. Slowly but surely Mahmoud is getting the points for DJ Giana. Yung kanyang mga one-hander pumapasok. Wala pang paltos. Cristobal driving. Lost the ball. Tagyam driving. Tagyam. What a move by Tagyam. And change by Putanyon. All this game was supported by Tiptoe Kicks. JPX TV. Win sa Paren. Last International Trading and many more. This is our PSBQ live in the Furling Season International School in Doha. O sige, ito. Shout out para for boys. Hans Canyelo, wala pa rin. Araba and Salvado. Pasok na naman ang bola kay Salvado. Laman ang lamang ng DJ Giana. Adrian Gabriel, DJ Giana, good luck daw po. Okay. Well, Wizards. Amada, nakuha ni Hans Cañedo ang bola. Hans driving. De La Cruz, 2 points De La Cruz. Hans Cañedo versus Amada, binabantayan. Mansueto, wala, and Ursuha, nakalusot. Nandun si Felipe, offensive foul nga lang. Basket down, pero offensive foul. Uy, kapos. Airball. Okay, 10-17 at 4 minutes 16 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Okay, magaga pa. Mansueto. Nawala ang bola. Okay, 2 points. Take to po, Mamia po, Sengge po, maganda po ito. Janice Gomez versus Scott for 3. No good. Foul. Ursuha called for the foul. 10-19 ang score po natin. 3 minutes, 53 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Salvado. Double team. 2 points. Ursua. Scott. No good. Wala tap. Hans. To kabilo na. Nakuha ni Hans ang bola. Nakuha ni Scott ang bola. Scott. Short stop. No good. Felipe. Foul. Mansueto yan. Foul number 6, Salvado rather. First personal foul, 13 foul, Felipe shooting for 2. This free is brought to you by Plus International Trading. First shot is good. Plus International Trading, courtesy of Plus International Trading, quality juices and many more. Available in all outlets nationwide in Qatar. Plus International Trading. Felipe. Second throw ni Felipe. Pasok pareho. Okay, siya mang kalamangan pumuli ng DJ Giana at 3 minutes remaining. Amada. Pusong Leon, sir. Nice one by Salvado. Dinukot sa ilalim. Salvado in the house. Nananalasa. Pusong Leon, sir. Watching Hans Cañedo. De La Cruz. 2 points De La Cruz. Okay, siya muli kalamangan. Amada driving. Nope. And same ball.
Last touch by Scott.
Salvado against Felipe. Salvado. Adriano. De La Cruz versus Mansueto. Mansueto pops up. No good. Rebound ni Scott. Scott. Hans Cañedo. Malakas. Amada called for the foul. And timeout DJ Giana. This game is brought by Trigon's Barbershop. Coach Mike Movement. Bejon's Apparel. Janus Gumetio. AFJ Engineering. Avens Travels and Tours, and also last but not least, Imprenta Advertising. This is your best speaking basketball league. Okay. These two first brought to you by Trigon's Barbershop. 100% Barbershop owned by Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Trigon's Barbershop. First shot ni Aaron, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 14-23, chance to make the lead to 8 points. No good. De La Cruz, power move, pal. Pero take 2 pa rin. Take 2. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Coach Mike Movement. Coach Mike Movement.
First personal foul, DJ Giana penalty.
First throw. Okay.
First throw by De La Cruz.
Both basket made. The score right now is 16-27 point lead by DJ Giana over Trijan's Barbershop. And foul.
On number 8,
Hans Kanya call for the foul, blocking foul.
Third big foul.
Side throw inbound ni Amada.
Minutes on 1 minute and
Amada to Salvado. Okay, nagkanta na mga Santo Mansueto. Pops up, nope. Driving. Sidestep move, no good. Rebound to Felipe. Felipe, all lost the ball. Escat. Escat. De La Cruz. De La Cruz, 2 points na Cruz. Okay, 5-point lead. 5-point lead na lang po yan mga kababayan. 5-point lead. Amada na ako ng pick. Okay, lost the ball. Lost the ball din. Amada, ayun, Adriano. 2 points, Mansueto. 2 points, Mansueto. 2 points, Mansueto. 18-25. 7-point lead. Hansing ngayon, calling shots. Escat for 3. No good. Escat muli. Wala pa rin. Lost the ball. Amada. Adriano. 3-second violation. Lucky break. Para sa mga tao. Cañedo, Hans. Driving, Hans. Okay, DJ Giana ball. 90 seconds remaining. Number 28. Salvado. Pops up for 3. No good. Salvado muli. Mansueto, 2 points, Mansueto. Okay.
And then the
First quarter class. And also, this game is also brought to you by Aquafas Qatar. Yan. Available po in all kinds of shapes and sizes. Just visit Aquafas Qatar FB page for details. And also, if you want to order, just contact these numbers. Aquafas Qatar. Second quarter action. Shoutout po kay Bo Calderon at kay Moises Natividad. Shoutout sir. Lumbre. Cristobal JP. No good. And foul. Called. Who's foul rep? Calyari, number 13. Number 3. 13. Lumbre. JP to Lumbre. Nako na pick. Bikas. Nice shot by Bikas. Oh, teka lang po.
Kita.
Okay, may konting ano lang po sa ano. Barangay rules kasi, barangay rules yata.
Kung wala na, kasi kompleto po yung pabalik nyo eh. Kung kulang kayo, lang pwede sa mga...
Okay, barangay po, bawal pala yung mga player po magasunod na quarter. Kumare, babalik siya after 5 minutes ang second quarter. Okay, Bakala, 7 po ang kalamangan. Uli for 3. Malakas. Rebound, Titagyam. Lumbre. Lumbre. Tingin na konti. Ilyang. Nakuha ni Pigas. Top break. Bakala, nakuha ni Tagyam ang bola. Tagyam, okay, Tagyam. Gantong mababasahan. Tagyam to Cristobal, JP. Lumbre to Tagyam, driving. Palpal. Tagyam! 2 points, Tagyam. Nice trailing job by Tagyam for 2 points. That's Tagyam. Ulip to Padayaw. Driving. Stripped away the ball. Mansueto. Big pass for the rebound to Lumbre. Lumbre naman pampasahan. Now JP. Foul sa baba. Basket no count. Number 11 call for foul. Ulip. JP Cristobal inbounding the ball. Tagyam. Lumbre driving. Ulit. Ilyang pala rider. 2 points Ilyang. Okay. Don't look now. 3 lang po kalamangan ng DJ Giana. Padayaw. 2 points Padayaw. Pamatay sunog. Nice shot by Padayaw. Lumbre. JP. Lumbre. Tagyam. Pikas muli. 2 points Pikas. Lumera Mahmoud. May Pikas ang 3's Barbershop. And 1 play made. Bakala and 1 play made. And bonus free throw from Fort Bakala brought to you by, of course, ANC Kitchen.
Dito pala. Sorry.
Brought to you by ANC Kitchen. Quality pampagana na chili garlic sauce. Handog yan, ANC Kitchen. Bakala, 2 points, no points. Tagyam by rebound. And Lumbre muli. Lumbre. Lifting violation. Side throw in pambuli ni Bakala. To Ulip. Crossover move. Pops up. Nope. Rebound ni Tagyam. Lumbre. Nakuha ni Bakala ang bola. Padayaw, dinukot pa. Dinukwang ang bola ni Padayaw. Tagyam driving. Holding foul. At number 11 called for a foul. Again, Ulip. Padayaw called for a foul. And Tagyam. JP. Pops up. No good. Ito muli ka naman. And Bakala. Nakuha ni Tagyam ang bola. Lead pass to Ilyang. Pikas. 2 points Pikas. Okay. Padayaw na mapasahan. Nakuha si Padayaw. Pops up. Tapos. Pikas. Lumbre. 2 points Lumbre. And time at the club by DJ Giana. This is This is PSBQ Basketball League brought to you by our major sponsors like ANC Kitchen, Maya's Kitchen, MC Cargo, MC Cuisine, HB Kicks, Qatar Submarine sponsored by Zira Nyara. Yan, ganito yun from dyan. McDonald's Qatar, Tiptoe Kicks, and many more.
Back to the program.
Ulip for the inbound to Bacala. Bacala, nagbababa mo na ng bola. Bacala, nagbaba ng bola to Ulip. Ulip versus Lumbre. Ulip, nahuli, nakuha, Lilia ang bola, foul. Nice D.
Number 77.
Okay, Chino Alcantara is watching, Paul Saviano is watching. Darn Michael Sordo watching also. Lumbre for 3. No good. Iliang almost got rebound. And Ulip to Loremia and foul! Dom, we have a trip to the line.
David Besumar. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
This free throw is brought to you by JPX TV. Lorem, Dom, no good. 3-point lead na lang po ang Kalamangan muli na DJ Giana. Approaching po tayo sa 5-minute mark muli na second quarter action. And wala. And okay, early entry. Early entry po tayo, JP Tulumbre. John Dagan is watching. Dave Bulaman is also watching also. Lumbre, driving. Iliang! Naku, balakas! Same white ball. And 5 minutes mark ulit po tayo. Second 5 ulit tayo mga kabayan. Second 5 ulit tayo.
Last change player na po ito.
Okay, balik po muli tayo ngayon sa laro ito, 30-33 at 5 minutes 8 seconds remaining. Amada versus Hans Cañedo. Okay, berkakabantayan na and lost the ball. 3 just ball. Winak sa parel. Okay, Hans Cañedo. And Scott, naikot siya. 3 points, Scott. Tabla. Unang tabla, binigay ni Scott para sa laro ito. First deadlock, now 3 and lost the ball. Same ball. First deadlock given by Scott the Magician. Ang magikero ng bayan. Salvado, rebound. High pass, no, Amada. Good ball. Same ball. Check last. Touch last by Felipe. Okay, Mahmoud now. Mahmoud. Okay, Salvado. Fade away shot. Mansueto. Okay, lumabas muna. Mansueto. Foul. Take 2. Mansueto go for the line, and this free throw is brought to you by, of course, Plus International Trading. Mansueto yung ating finals MVP noong nakaraang season. First shot made, yes. Okay lang, balik po muli sa DJ Giana Kalamangan ng isa. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw by Mansueto.
Second throw, jumpers ready by Mansueto. No good, rebound di De La Cruz, nope!
Giga back to the line. Available ball, 10 seconds to shoot.
Walang pinasahan! Escat! 2-point Escat! Oh, lamang na po ang Tinidios Barbershop. Backmood! Nang-awa, isa-isa. Lost the ball almost.
Bring the ball by Mansueto.
46 viewers po. Maraming salamat po. Top shot for 3. Bang! Sirin! Left basket! 38-34, 4-point lead already been made by Tinidios Barbershop. Amada! Binabat na Cañedo. Mansueto. Valvado for 3. Bang! Sirin! Nice try, nice shot. Hans Cañedo, Escat. Felipe, creating space, nice one. Felipe creating space. Salvado muli, nope, nakakuha ng pig. Salvado, nakuha ni Escat ang bola. Nope, nakuha ni Mansueto. Salvado, wala. Rebound ni De La Cruz. Nakuha ni Maxine. De La Cruz, power move De La Cruz. Easy basket made by De La Cruz. Bon, sino 20?
Bring the ball by Amada. Amada to Giga.
Giga. Okay, one more round. And Mansueto driving. Uy! Foul! It's a foul. Foul number 22, Felipe. Block yung foul ni Felipe. Warning for penalty, Tinidios Barbershop for 14 foul already. And Mahmoud and to Giga. Salvado, nope. Mansueto nag-rebound. Rebound ni De La Cruz. Escat. 3-on-1 for 3. Hans. Wow.
Ball number 28.
Ball number 20 for Giga. Cut in the line. This free throw is brought to by, of course, Tinidios Barbershop. The only 100% barbershop here in Qatar. 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Tinidios Barbershop.
Remains on 1 minute and 12 seconds.
First shot is cut sa linya.
Score 37-42.
Ha? Second throw, jumpers ready. 5 po kalaman po ng Tinidios Barbershop. First,
37-43.
nice shot. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Sir Carl Joseph, second quarter po tayo. Matatapos po yung second quarter po, sir. Backseat. Nice block by Giga. Giga block.
54 seconds.
Nice block by Giga.
Remaining time.
Giga block. Felipe. Hans masyado mataas ang pasa. Big backseat for 3. Felipe. Amada. Mahmoud. Bang! Nice shot by Mahmoud. Good luck, Ma'am Febrias. Sabi ni Mr. Barroso sa DJ Giana. Hans Cañedo to Escat. Nope, drive muna si Escat. Driving Escat. Foul. Pass shoutout naman kay Nelson Ray. Nesan Ray, at JC Gabriel. Boss, pasabi, matulog din sila. And this shot is brought in by Coach Mike Movement.
Remaining time 18 seconds.
Scott, first shot made is good. 5-point lead. 18 seconds remaining. And thank you pa pala sa BR pull-up represented by Coach Homer and Coach Chris.
Second throw is Scott.
Scott again. Second throw. Pasok.
Basket yan.
Ay!
Amada with the ball.
Ayun na.
15 seconds.
Amada driving. Nandun si Mahmoud. Rebound ibigay. Tama sa pa. Balik muli sa puti ang ball.
5 seconds.
Good luck both teams from Rising Knights team. Ayan. Fade away shot. Pasok.
2 points.
Nice shot by Salvado. Fade away talaga. Okay, after 2 quarters, ang score po natin po ay 45-41. Laman po ang 3 giants ng 4. Halftime po tayo ngayon. Ito pa ating manonood po ngayon right now. Oh, kawin naman dyan mga kabano. Ayun o, yan. Tapos yan, si Nabon. Si Bon, yan. Si Bon, si Mekos nandyan din. You know, si dito naman, sa kabila naman po. Lester John Tagle swatting. Sir Tagle, nasan po kay Sir? Archbishop Tagle, nasan ka boss? Hanap ka namin dito. Okay, balik tayo mo isa. This is your PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na sikat para sa mga Qatar. Bagay po sa aming mamunod sa mga sikat ng po. We're here live right now sa the Burning Season International School in Doha, and this game is brought to you by the following sponsors: ANC Kitchen, Maya's Kitchen, MC Cargo, MC Cuisine, HB Kicks, Qatar Serving Support by Ziranyada. Yan, Ziranyada. McDonald's Qatar, love natin ito. Kahit sa love ka natin ito. Shout out po sa commentator at Commissioner Aison. Sabi ni Mr. Boroso, maraming salamat po, sir. Tip Top Kicks, JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Plus International Trading, 3 John's Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Bay Jones Apparel, Jarnes Gumitio, FJ Kitchen, Evans Travels and Tours, and also, last but not the least, Imprenta Advertising. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Live po tayo po sa the Burning Season International School in Doha. Atin po tayo mga kababayan. The time right is 11 o'clock PM. Qatar time po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa manonood po sa atin po right now. And maganda magkape po tayo para di po tayo tukin. There's a very good game. And also, nakalimutan pa na natin. May isa pa rin sponsor. Ito ang Acropas Qatar. This is available all kind of shapes and sizes. To order, just visit Acropas Qatar every page or contact these following numbers. Acropas Qatar. time po tayo yun. Although ang score po natin is 44-41, lamang po ang Trijon's Barbershop ng 4.
Kasali mo sa Sturgeon?
Ha?
Tungsun kasali dito?
Hindi. Masyadong malakas yun. Ano boss? Talaga ano? Yung board ano lang? Kahoy na talaga? Ano? Paano ko sa inyo? Kasi paano sa sasulit? Pa siya bahala. Oo. Shoutout po kay Idol watching from Almansura, Canada. Ha? Sino yan? Si Hagibas. Hagbas rather. Hagbas. Mama Kaway Hagbas. Mansura, Canada. Ngayon lang ari yun ha. Justin Martinez and Ronald. Okay. Sikulot. Notski. Okay. Second half action on the way. Eto muli po tayo mga kabayan. This is your
Panagaya.
This is your best week of basketball. Second half po tayo yun. Okay, pwede na. Wala nang barangay rules. Ulep, inbounding. Second half action. Ulep, umata. Ito na. Hop. Balik.
Okay. Let's go.
Okay, balik muli. This time si Amada naman na mag-inbound. Didik yan ang ball. Amada, inbounding for Ulep. Amada, Ulep. Nice pass. Amada versus Kat. Bakala. Ulep, 3 points Ulep. Lumbre, Escat driving. Malakas sa pasa to Bikas. Nice one, baby Kasana. Bakala. Baluweng. Salpato 2 points. Ginamitan ng betan move. Tagyam. Nice one by Bikas. 47-46. Siso battle po tayo ng mga babayan. Amada ulit, Lumbre. And Padayaw for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points Padayaw. Perimeter shooting at his finest now by Padayaw. And Lumbre nagkasya mga basahan to Aaron De La Cruz. Aaron driving. Malakas. Triggers ball. Scott for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni Bakala bola. Bakala against Tagyam. Bakala. 2 points Bakala. Okay, 3 points muli po tayo yun. 47-50. At 7 minutes 22 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter action. Scott versus Baliwesa. Aaron De La Cruz. Kapos. Pasa yata yun. It's pasa. Jericho Jimenez watching already. Okay, now this time now JP papasok po para kay De La Cruz. And also Hans Cañedo para kay Lumbre. And now Bacala, Salvado, foul, tinulak, blocking foul.
Foul number 13.
Foul number 13, Big Cats. 2 free throws awarded. This free is also brought to you by NC Kitchen. Foul. First shot made. NC Kitchen. Quality pampagaan ng chili garlic flavor. Handog sa iyong mga pampamilya. NC Kitchen. Three just ball. 3 early entry sa Padayaw. 47-51. Tagyam to Cañedo. JP pops up for 3. Nope. Pikas. Tagyam. Nice one by Tagyam. Offensive foul. Offensive foul sa Tagyam. Pa-shoutout po kay China Alcantara. Shoutout! Amada. Ulip. Nakawala. Nope. Ayun. Hans on the attack. Hans. Escat. Driving. JP. Pops up. No good. Amada. Bacala. 2 points Bacala. Binuhat ang bantay. Cañedo, Hans. Tagyam. Side step move. 2 points side step move. Tagyam 2 points. Nakuha ni Scat ang bola. Scat. 3 points. Bangs it in! 5.5 po nating rank agad ang inano ni Scott and Tagyam combination. Amada. No. Nakuha ni Padayaw. And one play made. Very good. And one play made by Amada. 52-55 ang score. And plus 1 free throw.
30 foul, 3 yards.
Okay, 3-point made.
52-56.
52-56. Apat muli po ang kalamangan.
4 points lead for DJ Gra.
Hans Cañedo, ang score po sa Kankan Manalang is 52-56. Lamang po ang DJ Giana ng 4. Escat at Tagyam. Nope, nawala ang bola. Amada. Nice one. Selfless play. Escat muli. Bang! Sinin! Back-to-back 3 points already been made by Escat. Pag-sit na po yan, ulip na mabawi. Nope. Nakuha ni JP bola. JP. Hans Cañedo. Escat muli. For 3. Nope. Foul.
There's a foul. Foul number 13,
Big Cass called for the foul. Substitution made po. This time now. Cristobal out and back it in. Amada. Bacala. Pasok ang bola. 55-60. Escat. Tagyam. Sayang. Blocking violation, backing foul. Padayaw. This free toss brought you also by Maya's Kitchen. Merienda na. Handog yan ng Maya's Kitchen.
First two foul, DJ Gala.
Tatrabaho ka na ba?
Two free throw, Tagyam.
Tagyam, per shot. Wala. Tanong mo kay Skano, kay... Tanong mo kay Kume. Tagyam, second throw. Pasok. 56-60. Apat. 4 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Bakala versus Aaron De La Cruz. Dr. X. Amada. Walang pinatahan si Amada. Pagsit. Foul.
Foul number 80, De La Cruz.
De La Cruz called for the foul.
Penalty.
Penalty situation, Trigan's Barbershop. The score is 56-60. And on the line is Bakala, number 77. This cruise brought you by, of course, MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay safe at sigurado, MC Cargo.
56-61. Second throw, basket.
Both basket made of 56-62. Anim ang kalamangan mo rin ng DJ Giana. Sera Chasa ang third quarter. Oh! Traveling violation yan. Sera Chasa, ang score po natin ay 56-62 at 3 minutes 30 seconds for the third quarter action. Yan. Joke lang, Commissioner. Bagsit, no? Inalog pata palabas. Sayang, sabi ni Bagsit. Amada. To Mahmoud. No, it's Ruizo. No, it's Cañedo for the rebound. Cañedo. Aaron De La Cruz. Nice one by De La Cruz. Mahmoud balik. Nako! Ruizo na kong bola. Mahmoud nga, pasok muli. And time out ang call by Trigan's Barbershop call for the timeout. Patuloy sa ating mga sponsors po, of course. Siyempre, Acrobas Qatar po yan. Kasama po yan, Acrobas Qatar. Ha? MC Cargo, MC Gusin, HB Kicks. Ano ba yan? Store ba? Tatrabaho ko eh. Katasumi Sport Vazira Nyara. Sportswear. Mahalika Cargo and also McDonald's Qatar. Love natin to. Romel, hinahanap ka niya no? Shoutout po daw. Nagpapashoutout si Bon. Nasa ka daw Romel, hinahanap ka. Happy birthday daw. Birthday pa po, sino po lamang? Sir Anday, alaman po ay DJ Giana 5864 6.8 po. Tagyam palpal. Veteran mo. Laman po sir DJ Giana ng 6. 58-64. Ulep. Lost the ball. Triggens ball po tayo. Eliang! Sayang! 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. And Cañedo, Eliang. Foul! Foul number 11, Ulep. And this free throw is brought to you by Tiptoe Kicks. Quality shoes never goes out of style. Tiptoe Kicks.
Second personal foul.
Eliang. First throw, good.
DJ Young. Remaining time 1 minute and 17 seconds.
Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo mga kababayan. And it's good, better. Parehas, pasok. Apat na baka lamang po muli ng DJ Giana. Baliwesa. Giga attack. Mahmoud, 100 shot, pasok ang bola. Cañedo, lost the ball. Ulep, going in, down. Walong kalamang muli ng DJ Giana over Triggens Barbershop. Tagyam. And lost the ball. Same ball po tayo mga kababayan.
41 seconds.
41 seconds. Tagyam. Aaron De La Cruz. Foul.
Foul number 6, Salvador.
Salvador called for the foul.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. DJ Giana.
2 free throws awarded for De La Cruz, and this fruits brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Winax Apparel.
Remaining time 28 seconds.
Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw, De La Cruz.
No! Yes, sorry. Pasok, pito. Mansueto, Mahmoud. And Ulep, may tangan ng bola. Ulep, okay, sabi ng bola sa steady muna tayo. Let's go for last shot. Salvador telling, ano muna, last shot. Okay, na ako ng pick. Ulep, nawala ang bola. Atake. And De La Cruz, 2 points De La Cruz. Ulep, going offline.
And the third quarter. Score natin 63-68.
This is your best video basketball league. Magbabalik po tayo for the fourth quarter action. Okay, standby po tayo, fourth quarter action. Mahmoud, doon lang. Tetera na. Okay, pag-sit na po di inbound. Pag-sit po di inbound. Lumbre. Go 3 dyan, sabi ni China Alcantara. Alcantara. Scott for 3, no. Rebound D, pag-sit. Piglas.
number 27, Lucas Scott. First personal foul.
First person foul.
Third personal foul.
This free throw brought to you by Imprenta Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality.
First throw by Salvador.
First throw by Salvador is good. Second throw, jumpers ready. 6-point lead. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. Walang sinayo na basket.
Ang ating score.
And Lumbre, Scott, binabayal sa Salvador. Scott. Hindi, walang bola. Nagpapantay, ulit. Bangala driving, tap. Same ball. Nicely. If three just want to win, they have to do something bad. Padayaw muli. Fadeaway shot. And 5 seconds. Point. Shot ka violation. Shot clock violation. $63-70, 7 po kalamangan. Chance ng 3 para gawin 5 ang kalamangan ng TG Giana. Lumbre, Scott, Felipe versus Padayaw. Felipe, dinukwa ang bola, pasok ang bola. Amada versus Scott. Iba talaga pag malaki mga galamay. Amada, Padayaw versus Felipe. Good ball, well foul. Scott driving. Nakawala si Scott. Wala pa rin. Scott muli. Backseat. Bigkas 2 points. Bangala. Si Daisy. And Salvador. No tripa. And Lumbre. Nakuha niya no. And patay. Bangala. Tapos ang bola. Ululip. Malakas. Padayaw. 2 points Padayaw. For swing. $67-74. Balik pumuli sa 7 kalamangan. Padayaw ulit. Foul. Foul number 11. Backseat rather. Backseat called for a foul. Substitution made now. Felipe out.
Let's do
Backseat. Nakuha. Ilyang ang bola. Ilyang. Nice one by Ilyang. Basket count by Ilyang. This bonus is brought to you by, of course, Avens Travels and Tours. Ilyang bonus free throw coming up, and it's no good. 5. Bangala versus Ilyang. Walang tamo. Ilyang. Scott 2 points again. Okay, tatlo. And Amada, Bangala, and Padayaw, Dukwang, no good. Eskat muli, to Aaron De La Cruz. Pagsias. Okay, si Macbud, binulit muli. DJ Giana called for the timeout. This is your best BQ Basketball League. Magbabalik po tayo after this timeout. The score right is 71-74, 3-point lead ang po yun ng DJ Giana at 6 minutes 42 seconds for the fourth quarter action.
Back again. Shade is back. Celebrate. Guess is back.
Okay, nagtutuloy po tayo. And sengi po tayo, Janos Gumitio versus Cardinals. Amada versus kanya. Hans versus Amada. And foul. Oops.
Relax lang.
Chill lang tayo mga kababayan. Laro lang ito. Pakipasok kay Clark Jem. Si Clark Jerome. Olga Murok.
Amada. Foul versus number 8, Cañedo.
Cañedo call for a foul. Second motion. Amada technical foul. Scott shooting for the technical free throw. Amada nagkurpo siya ng technical foul dahil second demotion. Scott for the free throw. Wala! Okay, Amada inbounding versus Hans to Mahmoud. 10 seconds remaining. Amada to Hans. Mahmoud. No. Offensive foul. Giga. 3 Jans, 4 fish, 14 palawat 3. Giga, third person na papunta si Giga. Hans scoring the shots. Hans, Aaron, shortstop, no. Okay. Amada. Uy. Hans Kenya call for a foul. Penalty situation, 3 Jans barbershop. Giga for the free throw, and the free throw is brought to you by mga nakakago. Ang yung padala ay safe at sigurado. Giga per shot. Wala. Giga second throw, jumpers ready. Giga second throw, jumpers ready. Wala pareho. Kilian naka-rebound. Okay, chance again to make the lead into 1 point para sa DJ Giana. Scott driving. Malakas ang pasa. Foul. Hans Cañedo penalty situation. Padayaw for 2. This is brought to you by MC Cuisine, Lasay Sigurado. Ang quarter na po natin po ay fourth quarter na po tayo at 5 minutes 50 seconds remaining. Lang ang natitira. Balik po muli sa 4 na natitira, and Padayaw for the second throw, jumpers ready. Padayaw, wala. Rebound ni Eliang. High flying Eliang. Eliang with wings. Eliang for 3. Nope. Eliang naka-rebound. De La Cruz and foul by Mahmoud. Eliang with wings. Naka Red Bull.
Number 88, Mahmoud.
Mahmoud called for the foul. Guani for penalty, Mahmoud. Hans Canedo.
Personal foul.
Oh, wala muna. Eliang. Escat, mataas.
10 to shoot.
Canedo, Hans. Okay.
7 seconds.
7 seconds.
7 to shoot.
Nice one by Aaron De La Cruz. 2 points remaining. 2 points na lamang. Bakala, Mahmoud. Mulabas. Tatabla. Itatabla ba to? Oh, hindi. Escat. Ayun! Bakala, 2 points. Okay, Eliang. Canedo. Hans. Hans pops up. Nice one by Bikas.
Dalawa lang yan. Ibig mo baka.
Bakala. Lost the ball. Bikas. And one play made. Nice shot by De La Cruz, and this shot and this fruit is brought to you by HP Kicks. From Jordan Silverons, HP Kicks had it all. HP Kicks. Tabla muli po tayo. Eto na. Time out also called by DJ Kiana. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Magbabalik po tayo after this timeout.
Bulldings, meron pa kayo tiglalawang tayo.
Tabla po tayo at 77 all. 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. And chance also to give the lead to Three John's Barbershop.
Bulldings, meron tiglalawang tayo.
Both teams penalty po tayo. Aaron De La Cruz.
First roll by Aaron De La Cruz. Head shot by De La Cruz.
Wala. Tabla.
Outside foul.
Tabla po tayo. Amada. Okay, Amada. Padayaw, directing traffic din po. Meron silang court general. Padayaw versus Tagyam. Ulip, shadowed by JP. Hans, and lost the ball. Team ball. 5 seconds to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Okay, Salvado pops up. No good. Rebound ni Hans ang bola. To Ilyang. Ilyang. Nakuha ni Ulip ang bola. Ulip versus JP. And Amada. Tapos. And Tagyam. Aaron De La Cruz. Foul by Ilyang. Penalty situation. Both teams penalty and Padayaw in the line. Of course, this free was brought to by Qatar Sublimation Sports by Zira Nyada. No good. Ay, sa may gamit pala yan. May gamit pala yan.
Oo, kaya nga pinapalo kita eh pagka
Loko pala eh. Ba't ang pinapalo? Okay, lamang na isa. 3 minutes remaining. 77-78. Digagyan ang bola. Tagyam. Wala ang bola. And wow, takes two muli. Hans Canyedo, 5 personal foul. Graduate. And Ulep taking 2. This sprint is brought to you by McDonald's Qatar. Lab natin to kahit sa Qatar. Lab pa rin natin to. Ulep. First shot. Pasok. Labang ng dalawa na naman. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Jumpers ready. Second throw. Tatlo lamang. 77-80. 2 minutes, 50% remaining. Talia Mercedes, go, Ulep. Escap pa 3. No. And Bacala. Touch last by Bacala. Tagyam for 3. Patayaw. Salvador. Touch last by Aaron. Nice stop. Big cast para kay Tagyam. 2 minutes, 70 seconds remaining. Salvador. Nakawala ang bola. Penalty situation. This free is brought to you by JPX TV. Di ko alam kung ano pieces man. Wala. First shot, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready. De La Cruz and Cristobal nasa jumpers line. Shot kay Jason Salvador from Croatia. Okay, basket made. 4 muli ang kalamangan. JP. Nope. Ulep. Wala pinakahan. 4 lang yan mga kabayan. 4 lang yan. No! Kapal! Ulep for 3. No! 46, fresh shot lang. Bacala. Wala. Ayun kay Patayaw. Palpal muli. 2 points De La Cruz. Timeout. DJ Kiana called for the timeout at 59 seconds remaining. 79-81 ang score po natin ngayon. This timeout is brought to you by Plus International Trading.
Ang ating score. 2 points to score. DJ Kiana. Back to the ball.
Factor bogey muli po tayo. This is your PS Video Basketball League. Two points lang po yan. Amada for ulit. Ulit, papantay ni JP. Nope, it's Amada. Amada versus Scott. Salvado minang bola. Against Aaron De La Cruz. Amada. Amada. Padayaw. 2 points. Bakala, 2 points. Bakala. Luka for 3. White ball, same ball. Same ball muli po tayo, same ball muli tayo. De La Cruz. Okay, now stop. They need to stop now. Sugat.
Umakas ko lang 30 seconds, ha? 30 seconds. Pasok na, pasok na, pasok na. 30 seconds.
30 seconds muli ha. They need to stop.
30 seconds, ha?
Amada.
81-83. Amada. Basket.
Padayaw. Amada. Amada. Amada, Amada.
14 to shoot.
Okay. They will now go for the review.
Okay.
They will go for the review. Salamat sa S24 na
Ano yan? Auto-shooting na decision yan.
Parang si Morena to.
pasa ko. 16 seconds remaining. 8-1, 8-3. Okay, and the review. And what's the call? It's a foul.
There's a foul.
It's a foul. After the review, it's a foul. Then Salvador now go for the free throw line. Penalty situation. This screen is brought to you by Trickles Barber Shop. First shot. Pasok! Second throw, jumpers ready. Labas! Free pagpatayaw! Foul! Because 5 personal foul, graduate.
Pasok ka ba? 14 seconds.
14 seconds remaining.
Personal
Tatlo kalamangan. Padayaw shooting for 2. First shot. Pasok. 4. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Pasok pareho.
Time 14 seconds. 81, 86.
3 points. Medyo.
Our next game, Giannis versus Cardinals. Yeah, magandang pagnaman din yan. Back to the
Back to the goal
Goldie.
tayo. Second game po is Cardinals versus Giannis Gourmet. Ito na. Lumbre. Lumbre. Escat. Tagyam.
Here's a ball. Ball number 11. Patay.
Padayaw called for the foul. Third person by Padayaw. And this screen is brought to you by Coach Mike Movement. First shot ni Tagyam, no good. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw, Tagyam.
Basket made. Apat. Foul.
8 seconds. Okay, ball number 10. Maxim.
Mag-sit called for the foul. Ulep for 2. 82-86. At 8.9 seconds remaining, fourth quarter action.
First throw, Martin.
First shot made, yes.
Second throw, Rebound, Tagyam. Foul.
That's it. Okay, congratulations for winning the game.
Congratulations.
DJ Diana over 3 games barbershop. Final score 82-87. Magbabalik po tayo po sa ating second game po between Giannis Gumetio versus Cardinals. Maraming salamat po. And see you again. This is your PSBQ Basketball League.